Stock market secret strategies for profitable trading. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. The stock market can be an intimidating landscape, where fortunes are made and lost with lightning speed. To navigate this dynamic environment successfully, investors must arm themselves with sound knowledge and effective strategies. While there are no magical shortcuts to guaranteed success, understanding and implementing some well-guarded stock market secrets can significantly enhance the chances of profitable trading. In this video, we will unveil some key strategies that can help traders achieve success in the stock market. Knowledge is everything. As a stock trader, especially when day trading, it's vital to keep up to date with the latest news and events that can affect the market. This can include monitoring the movement in interest rates, the economy of certain nations, and worldwide events. Always research the stock market and the companies in which you are investing, so you know the types of events that would affect their value. A top tip is to continuously read the business and finance news from reputable websites. Another insider's secret is to make full use of an economic calendar. These types of calendars effectively track the events that can impact the stock market, and therefore are a great tool to plan your trades around the potential impact of future events. An economic calendar will usually include key influential events, reports, and announcements. With a wealth of knowledge about the stock market and key factors that influence price movements, you are more likely to invest wisely and profit as a result. Practice with a demo account first. Did you know that some online trading platforms give you the opportunity to open a demo account first? This means you can benefit from practicing your trading techniques with virtual assets and capital before investing with real money. As previously mentioned, knowledge is everything. And so this type of account allows you to gain more understanding of the stock market. A demo account is a great way to simulate potential trading strategies before moving to the real-time market and helps to avoid mistakes and possible losses, as well as work out ways to improve your techniques. Once you've practiced on a demo account, it's time to move on to a live account. Another tip, when opening an account using real money, is to look for an online exchange or trading platform that allows for the opportunity of leverage in trading. If practiced during a demo account, then you would know that leverage trading allows for more exposure to the market, but with less initial capital required. It can help to enhance your profits, but also the losses. Trading leverage varies across brokers and platforms, so research beforehand which one works best for you, the leverage ratios, and practice trading with leverage on a demo account first. Use emotional discipline. You may think that investing is all about intelligence, but the main thing that successful traders have is control of their emotions. A good trader has the ability to make quick actions, as well as decisions, and maintain their predetermined strategy without being affected by emotions such as greed, hope or fear, or trying to chase the profits. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money. The secret is to develop your emotional discipline so that your trading decisions are made using logic, and that you don't abandon your strategy or formulas based on an emotional response. Set out a strategy before you begin and maintain throughout. Make sure to trust in your research and analysis, and stick to this strategy. Try not to let yourself be influenced by others, as it may not suit your trading techniques. Chasing after a big win is not good emotional discipline and can cause you forget your strategy. Begin with small amounts, as this gives you greater control, but also the opportunity to increase your position in the future. Thorough research and analysis. The foundation of profitable trading lies in comprehensive research and analysis. Successful traders understand the importance of studying a company's financials, industry trends, competitive advantages, and potential risks before making any investment decisions. Fundamental analysis provides insights into the intrinsic value of a stock, while technical analysis helps identify trends and entry-exit points based on historical price movements. By combining both types of analysis, traders can make informed decisions with a higher probability of success. Risk management and diversification. Stock market trading inherently involves risk. Seasoned traders adhere to the principle of risk management, never putting all their eggs in one basket. Diversification spreading investments across various assets and industries can help mitigate risk by limiting the impact of any single stock's poor performance. Moreover, setting stop-loss orders can prevent significant losses by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a predetermined price level. Emotion-free trading. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to irrational decisions. Successful traders keep their emotions in check and stick to their predefined strategies and risk management rules. Fear and greed are two common emotions that can adversely affect trading outcomes. Having a well-thought-out plan and sticking to it during turbulent market conditions can prevent impulsive actions that may lead to losses. Following market trends. Successful traders keep a close eye on market trends and adapt their strategies accordingly. Identifying and following trends can provide valuable insights into market sentiment and momentum, helping traders ride the waves of opportunity. Whether it's a bullish or bearish trend, being aware of the broader market direction can significantly impact trading decisions. Continuous learning and adaptation. The stock market is a dynamic ecosystem that evolves constantly. Successful traders acknowledge the need for continuous learning and adaptation. They stay updated on market news, economic indicators, and geopolitical events that can influence stock prices. Learning from both successes and failures is crucial for improving strategies and making better decisions in the future. While there are no shortcuts to guaranteed success in the stock market, implementing these well-guarded strategies can significantly enhance the likelihood of profitable trading. Comprehensive research, risk management, emotional discipline, and adaptability are just some of the essential traits that traders must embrace to succeed. Remember that no strategy can guarantee absolute success, as the stock market will always carry inherent risks. Always consult with financial advisors and do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.